In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a project as a template in Todoist. This is a really useful feature if you find yourself creating similar projects over and over again, like weekly task lists, client workflows, or recurring checklists. By turning an existing project into a template, you can save time and keep your processes consistent. First, open Todoist on your computer or in your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Take a moment to look through your list of projects on the left side of the screen. Before you save anything as a template, it's a good idea to double check that the project you want to use is exactly how you want it. That means your tasks are organized, your sections are set up, and any recurring items or due dates are already configured. Now, go ahead and select the project you want to turn into a template. Click on the project name in the sidebar so that the full project opens in the main view. You should now see all the tasks, subtasks, and sections associated with that project. At the top right corner of the project view, you'll see an icon with 3 dots. This is the More Options menu for that specific project. Move your cursor up to that area and click on the 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear, showing different actions you can take on the project. From this menu, look for the option that says Save as New Template. Go ahead and click that. Todoist will now begin creating a reusable template based on the current structure of your project. Depending on your version of Todoist, you may be asked to name your template or confirm how you want it saved. Choose a clear, descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later, especially if you plan to create multiple templates. Once it's saved, your template will be available for future use whenever you want to create a similar project. The next time you start a project that follows the same structure, you won't have to build it from scratch. You can simply create a new project and apply this template, instantly loading all the same tasks and organization. That's all there is to it. Select a project, click on the 3 dots, and choose Save as New Template. With this simple process, you can streamline your workflow and keep your projects consistent across your Todoist workspace.